Hello everyone! For today's video, I'm unboxing one of the hard-to-get bag from Louis Vuitton. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Just click subscribe and the bell button for you to notify if I have new videos like this. Guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's unboxing, it's all about one of the hard to get from Louis Vuitton. Yes, you heard me right. This is one of Louis Vuitton's coveted bag. Actually, I've been waiting for this since September pa. I also asked my friends to look for this in other countries like in Singapore, Australia, Japan, and Korea, but they all sold out. And also, I looked for this in Hong Kong and Taiwan last December and January, but then we don't have stock there. And then last Thursday, I get a message from my SK, and then he told me that he has a surprise for me. And this is it, guys.
Who's that? Okay, open the door.
What?
Oh my gosh.
Gosh, eto na siya. Nanginginig pa, guys. Oh my God! What? It's here! Finally, it's here! I can't wait to open this, guys. So, ito na yun, guys. Okay, without further suspense, let's open this. Ito yung box niya. This is the box. Okay, I will put this all together. So guys, I got here the multi-pochette accessories in rose clear color. So this strap is adjustable. This multi-pochette is a hybrid crossbody bag with multiple pockets and compartments. Also, this is monogram canvas with mini monogram pattern in both sides of the pochettes. Yeah, this one. I've seen this bag with a lot of celebrities like Rihanna, Gigi Hadid, Hailey Baldwin, and I really love how they wear it and style it. This bag is one of the it bag right now. What I like about this bag is that you can wear it in different style. For me, this is a multifunctional bag because I can wear it during day and night time. And I can play with it with any outfit. Later, I will show you guys how I style it with different ways and in different outfits. So now, let's try what can it fit inside. Okay, I have here first. Let me wear it, guys, para it's easy for me to put things inside. Okay, first, let's put coins in coin purse. Okay, let's take this out. See. Okay, I have coins here, so let's put there. Okay, I can put also, this coin purse is big, so I can put my contact lens. Lagyan ng contact lens. Okay, and then here, I can put my, let's see if this one, my compact, let's fit here. Let's see, okay. And then, what else? This one, my chapstick, lip balm. Let's put it here. My lubricant eye contact solution. Okay. Next, alcohol, because we really need this at this time. Okay. And then next, what else? Of course, lipstick. Let's use lipstick. Okay. Let's put also, wow, a lot of that. Ang dami ah. And this one also, Hermes perfume. And this one, my hair tie. Let's put also, let's see. Okay. And what else? Let's see. This one. My hand lotion. Let's try. Whoop. Kasha pa siya. Okay, okay. All of my essentials, my makeups, it's here already. So, let me put naman, let's try to put here naman in the pochette accessories and the big one. Okay, let's try one, my wallet. Let's see. Okay. Fit siya. And then, wet wipes. Okay. And then, my cell phone. Let's try. Wow! Okay, it's all fit inside. So, this is it, guys. I put a lot inside, but then there's more space pa, so you can put more. For styling, first, on the go casual, like doing errands for grocery and banking. For the second style, the chic casual, I pair it with dress and white sandals. Perfect for dinner with friends, attending parties and events during nighttime. For the last style, it's a smart casual. This outfit is perfect for business meeting with my season colleagues, for the clients, for upcoming photo shoots and projects. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and comment below. Bye! We'll see you again soon.